Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the environment so the rest works smoothly. Make sure Windows 11 is updated. This ensures widget APIs are present. Sign in with your Microsoft account so widgets can sync and store data. Next, open the Widgets pane using the taskbar icon or press Win+W. Once done, you'll see the default feed. Make sure to click the Profile menu and enable developer options if you plan to add third-party or custom widget packages. Now you'll install and add the custom widget itself. Open Microsoft Store or your trusted source for a manifest-based widget package. If you have a local package, choose Import. Click Add Widget or Install, and when permissions appear, allow access to the data the widget needs. This is why permissions matter. Once added, drag the widget into position inside the pane and resize by grabbing edges. Make sure to configure any settings the widget exposes so it updates correctly and shows the right content. Finish by configuring the widget's behavior so it remains useful. Open its settings to set refresh intervals, choose data sources, and enable notifications if available. This controls how often it pulls updates. Then pin the widget's pane or set startup behavior for quick access. If something goes wrong, try restarting the Windows Widgets process in Task Manager, check that permissions were granted, and reinstall the widget package if necessary. If the issue persists, sign out and back into your Microsoft account before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.